Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another day of the 12 days of RMUS. I'm Mykal Hamilton, and I'm the Customer Success Manager of RMUS Canada. And today we're going to talk about the Parrot ANAFI Ai. This drone is beautifully designed, as you can see. And not only is it beautifully designed, but it is a phenomenal autonomy tool for the purpose of collecting photogrammetry data for 2D and 3D orthomosaics. And in addition to that, you can connect this drone to a 4G network and be anywhere in the world and tap into what it sees. This drone is not only beautifully designed, but all of the design has added function. The sleekness of the design makes it more aerodynamic. In addition to that, these cameras, not only do they look beautiful, but they're actually more functional than most gimbal cameras, because most gimbal cameras are mounted underneath the drone, preventing the drone from looking directly at what's above it. This drone can look directly at what's above it. And it looks pretty darn cool when it's calibrating, just like that. And once it takes off from the ground, that calibration that it just did allows the camera to remain perfectly stable as the drone is in flight. The Parrot Sky Controller 4 is by far my favorite controller that Parrot makes, and I'm so thankful to them for making this because they did a great job. This antenna up here is actually, it's a built-in antenna, but also it acts as a handle. So obviously you can maneuver the device very comfortably. And in addition to that, when you need to add a display, you just whip out your cell phone, just do a little quick expansion like that, close it up, attach your adapter for whatever your cellular device may accept, and you're off to the races. Now, these control sticks, in addition to all the other wonderful features of this controller, are very well designed. Not only are they beautiful, but they have additional rubber, so you have better grip around the sides, and they have some spikes on top that are actually very comfortable, almost like acupuncture. The ANAFI Ai's ability to be operated over a 4G network opens the door for BVLOS operations over greater distances and with a more secure connection. And because of this 4G capability, the ANAFI Ai has no range limit. The combination of artificial intelligence and Pix4D allows the drone to be a leader in photogrammetry as a speedy and efficient solution. The 48 megapixel camera acts as the eye of the ANAFI Ai, allowing operators to capture the fine details that matter. And a new update to the FreeFlight 7 app provides this Parrot drone with increased geo-awareness. The ANAFI Ai is a trustworthy companion. It shares no data with the manufacturer, and for those of you in North America, this drone is blue listed. So for those of you who are looking for the ultimate package for versatility and exceptional photogrammetry, I know what you should be getting yourself this holiday. All right, guys, that's been it for the Parrot ANAFI Ai. Please be sure to click all the links, check out all the cool and fun content we've got coming in the next few days. And if you would like to gain more information about this fantastic drone, please get in touch with our solutions development team. You can find more information about us and everything we have to offer if you just hit that link in the description. That's all from me. My name is Mykal Hamilton, the Customer Success Manager of RMUS Canada. It's been a pleasure to be with you all, and I'll see you soon. Happy holidays.